Homemade 3-ingredient cough drops. These ingredients that we listed below provide a potent natural recipe for cough. You will need 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of honey, 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Additional ingredients: small ice cube tray container for storage. Method of preparation: 1. Pour the coconut oil in a small bowl. 2. Beat it with a hand mixer until it is whipped. 3. Add the honey into the coconut oil and mix them well. 4. Add the cinnamon and also mix all of the ingredients well. 5. Pour the mixture into the ice cube tray. 6. Freeze the drops for 20 minutes. 7. Take out the drops from the ice cube tray and store them into a container in the fridge.